Hey guys, welcome to Pantry Partners. Today we're making some fried potato sandwiches. You will need some cheese, some potatoes, some onion and some fresh garlic. You can start by slicing the potato into smaller pieces. I like to leave on the skins for some extra fiber. Boil the potatoes for about 30 minutes. While the potatoes are boiling, you can chop up the onions and garlic into small pieces. You can also grate some cheese. Try and form a few evenly sized balls with the mesh. Now press them flat. Add a little bit of cheese. And now add your garlic and onion mix. Heat up some oil in your frying pan. Now toast your sandwiches until golden brown. Serve and enjoy.